Amazon Home Hacks. This waterproof mini scrubber cleans hard-to-reach places like the bottom of a faucet or oven grates. The 4 interchangeable brush heads also make it perfect to scrub pots, pans, and dishes after cooking. And the precise brush head is perfect for bathroom and kitchen sinks and faucet heads. And elevate your home with this outlet extender that hides your outlets while giving you 5 side access prong outlets and 2 USB outlets. Amazon car must-haves. This trunk organizer includes 2 insulated cooler compartments, perfect for frozen or refrigerated grocery items or drinks for a beach trip or sports game. And it folds compact for easy storage. And keep your car from getting too hot with this foldable sun visor that fits in most cars and comes complete with a pouch for easy storage. Amazon summer favorites. Cut back on single-use plastic silverware with these 100% edible spoons when eating your favorite summer treats. They are easy to pack since they are individually wrapped, available in small and large sizes, and come in sweet and savory flavors. And this oversized beach towel is 100% cotton and has a secret pocket perfect for phones, keys, and wallets during beach and pool days.
It's time to take your kitchen into the 21st century. Featuring 11 original presets, the Cosori Smart Air Fryer cooks meals faster than an oven and with up to 85% less fat than traditionally fried foods. Want to unlock your fryer's full potential? Download the VSync app to connect your smart fryer to your smartphone. With VSync, you can browse 100 online recipes personally created by our Cosori chefs, with new recipes added monthly to keep you inspired. Something catch your eye? Automatically input settings by selecting the recipe you want, or remotely make adjustments. Monitor the progress of your cooking through the app, or take a closer look. Save your favorite discoveries for future use, and make tweaks to old family recipes. You can even save pictures of the final result. Forgot what it was you made last? Check your cooking history to refresh your memory. Before you're done with one meal, you'll be planning your next. So go ahead, start planning today.